Before you leave, stay with me until the end of this prayer. What you're about to hear may be exactly what your heart needs right now. If God feels silent, if your prayers seem unanswered, this moment is not accidental. You didn't arrive here by chance. Stay. Breathe. Let these words reach the place where you've been holding questions, fear, and quiet hope you haven't spoken out loud. Silence does not mean absence. Many believe that when God is quiet, He has turned away. But often His silence is where the deepest work begins. What feels like waiting may actually be preparation. What feels like delay may be protection. Right now, even if you don't feel it, something is being aligned beyond what your eyes can see. You've been praying, waiting, wondering if your words reached heaven. Some days your faith feels strong, and other days it feels fragile. You smile for others, but inside you carry unanswered questions. God sees that. He sees the tears you didn't explain and the strength you used just to keep going. There is a quiet battle inside you. Faith says, trust, but your heart says, I'm tired. You believe God can act, yet you wonder when. This tension doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. And God is not offended by your questions. He is present even in your uncertainty. Stay here with me. Don't rush away from this moment. What God wants to do in you begins with stillness, not answers. As you remain, allow your heart to soften. This prayer is not about forcing a miracle, but about finding rest while God works beyond your understanding. God's silence is often an invitation to deeper trust. When nothing seems to change on the outside, something is shifting within you. Strength is being formed. Patience is growing. Faith is maturing. What feels empty may actually be sacred ground, where God is shaping who you are becoming. Now, let's slow down. Take a gentle breath. Release the need to understand everything right now. This is a moment of connection, not explanation. Let your shoulders relax. Let your heart open. You don't need perfect words. God already knows what you're carrying. God, I come to you just as I am, with questions, with weariness, with hope that sometimes feels small. I lay down my need to control outcomes and timelines. I offer you my heart, even when it feels confused. Teach me to trust you not only when I understand, but even when I don't. I release fear, anxiety, and the pressure to have everything figured out. I let go of the weight I was never meant to carry alone. I choose to rest in your presence, even here, in the waiting. I trust that you are near and that you are working in ways I cannot see. I declare that God is with me in this season. I declare that His timing is perfect, even when it feels slow. I declare that I am not forgotten, not overlooked, and not alone. What He has promised will come to pass, and my waiting will not be wasted. God sees you when no one else notices. He hears the prayers you whisper and the ones you can't put into words. Nothing about your pain is invisible to Him. Right now, even in silence, His presence surrounds you. You are being held, strengthened, and guided, even here. Let peace settle over my heart. Calm my thoughts. Quiet my fears. Replace my restlessness with trust. I choose to breathe deeply and rest in the truth that you are good, you are faithful, and you are working all things together for my good. Even without answers, I place my future in your hands. I trust your process. I trust your heart. I trust that this season will shape me, not break me. I walk forward with quiet confidence, knowing that you go before me and remain beside me. Before you go, write in the comments, "I am blessed." And if you believe God is working even now, also write, "God is moving in my life." Let this be your declaration today. You are not alone, and this season will not last forever.